Had no need to fight tonight.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Trey back at you another video. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then turn the notification bell on so you guys will be notified when I post videos. Today is my very special day. I'm going to my very first Cars and Coffee. I've never been to one before. I'm very excited about it. And if you guys didn't watch my recent video, go watch it because I talked about it. Today is the day. It starts at 5 or 5:30. I want to say push it back to 6, but I'm not really sure. But anyway, my car is very, very filthy because we've had like a hard rain like yesterday, and then like pollen's have been falling. So I'm about to go clean the car real quick, inside and out, and then later on we'll get ready to head to this car show. But for right now, let's go ahead and go get this car clean. All right, YouTube, so I got the car cleaned up and all of that good stuff inside and out. I have one stop to make before I head to the Cars and Coffee. I have about a 45-minute drive ahead of me. So let's get on the road and let's get there. So I stopped at the gas station real quick to fill up my car. I want to say I'm about halfway there. I probably got maybe like 20 or 25 minutes, something like that. But I'm gonna get this gas and then we're gonna continue on this journey. Just as I thought I was gonna get caught up in this traffic, and I did, even though I left a whole hour and a half early. But it's cool though. I still got about 30 or 40 minutes before it starts anyway. So yeah. Guys, so some more people are starting. Hold on, let me adjust my camera real quick. Give me a second. All right, so more people are starting to show up. There's a lot of nice freaking cars out here. There are two GT350s that just parked right in front of me, and they are sexy as fuck. I see a couple Porsches, some Corvettes. There's a lot of cars out here, but I'm about to get out and walk around and going on with y'all bros? Alright, tell them your setup again.
It's a 5.7 headers exhaust.
Headers and exhaust.
Cam on the way.
Oh, you gonna cam it?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Oh yeah. Sound like she running though. What model is this? A 99? 98Z. Come on, clean, bro.
Appreciate it.
For sure. Nice. They go a Hellcat. It's like a red eye.
It is. I think you got the red on top of it. They got the bully and everything. Yeah, you got the red on right there.
He got new pulleys too. This mug running too. I just don't like challenges because they're too heavy.
Yeah, that's the head tuner stuff with them people.
Bro, I think I passed this dude on the freeway, bro. Heck yeah. It was like the same one.
It probably is. JLT intake on it too. For some reason, let me have my lights on. Well, you better uncross your hood.
Dutch or something sweet or somebody. But man, Glenn Daniels, the guy that built on transmission.
Bro, this the cleanest GT350 right here. This mug so doggone clean. God, leave this mug clean.
This don't make no sense here.
Bro, like this mug clean for real, for real. That's crazy.
Yeah. Let's see if we get some scratches out his palm.
That's the cleanest one out here.
Heck yeah, bro. Is you? Man, this thing clean, man. Yeah, this the cleanest one. Was this the third one? Yeah, he got the cleanest one. I like the splitter he got on here though too. This white one hitting too though.
I think it's just because how low that one is.
I know, cause that's because he got the splitter on there. He's still factory. Bro, this charger though. Damn.
Boy, who would have had Dominic?
Boy.
P-Rain, reps up. More rest and sex is all a nigga needs. And a lifetime of stress trying to put my mind at ease. I'm not looking at the phone, too much shit been going on. But while we got this moment of peace alone, girl, we should just get
drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk.
Girl, we should just get
drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk.
Life is great when you're naked. You press the gas and I break it. I drink liquor, don't chase it. And I get women, don't chase them. I put her face in the pillow and watch her bite on the blanket. See you tempted to taste it, get every drop and don't waste it. I'm fucking with you, I'm fucking with you. The type of dick to make a white girl say I love that nigga. I hit your Instagram and click like on like every picture. You get it from your mama, well and bring your mama with you. And lots shots of liquor. Tell her, fuck me like you hate me. You love me, I say maybe. She say, boy, don't keep me waiting. I say, go down, don't be lazy, yeah. Now that's my baby, that's my baby. She love me from my drive, I love her cause she drive me crazy. What's up?
More rest and sex is all a nigga needs. And a lifetime of stress trying to put my mind at ease. I'm not looking at the phone, too much shit been going on. But while we got this moment of peace alone, girl, we should just get
Drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck, drunk.
Girl, we should just get
drunk and fuck, drunk and fuck,
yeah.
Drunk and fuck, drunk.
OVO I ride, OMO I ride. Reps up them my niggas from the Scarborough side. Don't fuck with them, my hollow tips will fly. I don't have to lie. Lot of people say it in a song just to say it, man. I'm not that type of.
Still stock?
Yes. Yeah.
This thing clean, bro. Do you know how fast these things are if you do stuff to them? It'll probably be the quickest thing out here. What you got on the dash? 200 or 220?
220, is it?
Bro, 220. Come on, bro. 220.
0 to 60 in 2.9. Just dirt.
Yeah.
I feel like it'll look really good if it had like the burnt tips.
Yeah.
Yeah, those will look really good. It's clean though.
Guy, hit me on the cell. I just might bring you to the city, send you home with stories you can never tell. I'm trying to break you out of your shell. You just turned 21 like Adele, that's good with me. I put my business on hold. Let me turn off the phone. Let's explore the unknown. If you're not drinking with me, you force me to turn up alone. No peer pressure, I just know you like to get in your zone. You say that you rather smoke. Well, let me call up Obi's room and tell him roll up a cone. I know he probably got that extra special. I never second guess it. How's Villanova? What classes you taking next semester? Man, she like fuck the small talk. I'm not here to discuss extra credits of my professors. No time for funny stories. It's funny how she shows up late but always comes before me. We both young and misguided, but that's another story. Yeah. More rest and sex is all a nigga needs. And a lifetime of stress trying to put my mind at ease. I'm not looking at the phone, too much shit been going on. But while we got this moment of peace alone, girl, we should just get.
Hey, bro. What's going on, guys? This is SVT running right here. Actually on a 2014 Shelby GT500, 800 horsepower to the wheels. I race, I vlog car shows, I go to car meets, all type of dope content like that. Follow me at SVT_running, RUNNIN_501. Check me out.
All right, y'all go check him out. He said he running, man. I know I got a lot of people on here. They got some fast cars. Mine's slow, but don't worry. I got an SS coming on the way. My tripod broke, so I'm having to record just by using my phone in my hand. But we still gonna get good content. There's a lot of nasty cars out here. It's a lot of good looking cars. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can, but y'all, it's a lot of cars out here. Y'all excuse the sun too. But I'm about to go ahead and get me something to drink real quick out of Davis Burgers, and then I'll get back to the vlog.
Like a performance package, but I took it a step further and went more along the roles of like the chassis and everything for the Shelby. I've done the same tires. I was gonna fully convert it and do even more, but Dow Dynamics, whenever I did the headlights, the boards are somewhat cheap. Like you buy the boards for like $349 for the boards, and that's the gills. And it's like $150 for the Demon Eye.
Right.
And then it's the fogs from them are like another $349, and you have to buy the Wi-Fi module. But like after you do headlight splitting, which I had the lenses painted black because they're chrome normally, but I had them painted black to match. And when I got done, it was like $10K to do the lights with the labor and all the drivers, because you have to have the drivers, the housings. But I spent some shit, and they had a lot of hiccups. Like drivers go out all the time, but now they're on a new set of drivers and they've redone them for me, and they've been good ever since. So maybe some of their new stuff is better.
Well, if you ever want to do the fog light deletes, I've got something for cheap.
because I'm changing direction away. I was gonna do fog light release on mine, which is like the V6 model.
Yeah.
And I changed my mind. I'm going a different direction with mine, so I'm trying to get rid of them.
I love that I went V-Series grill on mine. It lets so much more air into the.
Well, I started.
It looks more aggressive in my opinion too.
Yeah, I think
I started to go this route, and then I ordered the Cervini's upper and lower, and then they were back ordered, so I canceled that order because they didn't know when it was going to be filled. So I'm going a different route now. So
I wish I went all RTR. I did RTR all the way around the sides and the back. Now I've got a custom splitter that I still have painted on, but it's carbon fiber, and I can't know if I want to paint the carbon or leave the carbon. But then if I go carbon, I need to put more carbon and do some more carbon.
that's why I've got the deck lid on mine. If you've seen the deck lid.
What about a carbon hood?
I have these too. I thought about switching out my panels for the GT350s from American Muscle because they're like $800 for the pair. But I haven't really. I'm gonna put them on when I finally do the headers. But until I do my headers, I'm not gonna remove them. So I'm like waiting. My car I have a set of Cook's long tubes and a set of Cook's cat backs.
Damn! Hey man, my name is Master Six Dude on YouTube and Instagram. Hit me up.
Recording you. Fuck that man. Why that man? Cause I won't know. Like, I love how you feel.
Fine number 9, love it when you got it on. Baby, you so high, all these diamonds cool you down. Got a lot of guap, every day I walk around. Baby girl, I'm up, ask them how I put it down. Just give me a chance, promise I'ma make you love me. And me and you together could accomplish more than something. Asking what I live you, baby, that's out of the question. Everything I make a day, I bring it back, you count it for me. I never sought you down. I hope you feel me through this song. Promise you will never leave me alone. Tonight is Wednesday, baby, me and you, we going out. And don't worry about a thing, we gon' have fun now. A lot of money in my pocket when I walk around. Once we get back to the house, girl, it's going down. Started staring in your ass, then I tongue you down. I wanna show you that I love you, let me hold you down. You my little 30-day baby with my necklace on. Don't like you mad, but you even cuter when you from. I really need you, shorty, you my mate. Never do a thing to hurt you, get that through your head. I've been hustling every day, I've been going in. Run up a bag, I let you count it when I make it in. Number 9, love it when you got it on. Baby, you so high, all these diamonds cool you down. Got a lot of guap, every day I walk around. Baby girl, I'm up, ask them how I put it down. Just give me a chance, promise I'ma make you love me. And me and you together could accomplish more than something. Asking what I live you, baby, that's out of the question. Everything I make a day, I bring it back, you count it for me. I never sought you down. I hope you feel me through this song.
Y'all, it's getting deep out here. It's getting deep out here. Got some serious cars out here. It's getting deep. All right, guys. So it is very, very good so far. It's a lot of cars. I've seen a Lambo, some R8s, some Porsches. You know, just the regular other cars like Camaros, Mustangs, Challenger, Chargers, all that good stuff. I'm trying not to leave so early. I'm trying to wait and see if somebody will do like some burnouts or maybe some runs or something like that. But so far everybody's pretty chill. The cops are like circling around a little bit. But I'm gonna wait around for maybe like another hour and see if anybody like tries to race or anything. And if not, then I'll probably just go ahead and head out. But let's go ahead and just continue. So as you guys see, the cops are out. The cops are hot. They don't want us to have a good time, no, but I guarantee you somebody's gonna do a burnout somewhere. But there's like 3 or 4 cops that's been scoping around, but we don't care though.
Promise you will never leave me alone. I go a lot of miles for you, baby. Break and bake or yard, anything you want, just tell me. Mine number 9 got me love the way you smelling. Your Chanel lotion got me loving how you feeling. Baby, what we talk about, I never tell. Treat treat you like you my little dog, I'll buy you YSL. VVS is cool you down, cause you had a sale. Can't tell you nothing, you NBA, you never broke again. I love it when you got it on. Baby, you so high, all these diamonds cool you down. Got a lot of guap, every day I walk around.